Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best motorcycle goggles on Amazon. Anyone who wears an open-face helmet needs to take eye safety seriously, and motorcycle goggles are the best form of protection. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Bickershades Motorcycle Goggles. If you only ride during daylight hours, then you need a pair of polarized goggles, and Bickershades motorcycle goggles take my pick. Both lenses have a polarized coating, which takes the glare away from things like water, windows, and chrome. So, whether you're inclined to take a coastal ride or through the city streets, you'll notice a reduction in glare. These goggles are great value for money, and the lenses are made from impact-resistant polycarbonate, so they're built to last. A sweat-proof foam cushion lines the frame, which creates a secure barrier between your eyes and wind, dust, and debris. Keeping the goggles in place is an adjustable strap. Unfortunately, the black tint on these goggles make them unsuitable for riding at night. What we like about it? Polarized lenses. Great value for money. Polycarbonate construction. Sweat-proof foam cushion. What we don't like about it? Not suitable for riding at night. Number 2. Bertoni Motorcycle Goggles. The Bertoni motorcycle goggles take my best overall pick because they hit all the right marks and then some. These goggles use sun-sensor photochromic anti-fog lenses that are rated from Cat 0 to 3, meaning they stay transparent in low light conditions and turn darker as conditions become brighter. These lenses also offer 100% UV protection, so you can ride seamlessly into the night and don't need to carry around extra lenses. These goggles are ready for whatever your next adventure has in store, thanks to their impact-resistant thermoplastic polyurethane construction. There's a removable soft foam that runs along the edge of the frame, keeping the wind out of your eyes. The grip on the bridge of the frame works with an elastic strap to ensure this model stays firmly in place while you're on the move. What we like about it? Photochromic lenses. Interchangeable arms and strap. Polycarbonate construction. Anti-fog lenses. What we don't like about it? Slightly pricey. Number 3. Bickershades Motorcycle Safety Goggles. If you wear prescription eyeglasses while you ride, many of the goggles on the market won't fit correctly, but the Bickershades Motorcycle Safety Goggles will. This model will fit over glasses that are up to 145 mm wide and 52 mm tall, so measure your glasses before buying. These goggles are bulky, but both the lenses and frame are made from polycarbonate, so you don't need to worry about flying objects or anything else breaking them. Lining the frame is dual-density foam, which is made of a firm and a soft layer and ensures a comfortable but snug fit. There's an anti-reflective coating on the lenses, which allows light to pass through but reduces glare. They have a UV 400 rating, so will block UVA and UVB rays. Since you'll be looking through your eyeglasses in these goggles, condensation is the last thing you want. What we like about it? Fit over eyeglasses. UV 400 rated. Dual-density foam. Vents on top and bottom. What we don't like about it? Bulky. Not photochromic. Number 4. Bobster Cruiser 2 Goggles. You can get cheaper goggles than the Bobster Cruiser 2s, but you won't find a pair that are a better value. These goggles come with 3 tinted polycarbonate lenses. Smoked, amber, and clear. Since these lenses are interchangeable, you can ride in any light conditions. The polycarbonate lenses block 100% of UV rays and are 10 times more impact-resistant than plastic or glass lenses. Preventing these goggles from fogging up are vents on each side of the frame, which work well. What we like about it? Great value. 3 lenses included in the sale. Side ventilation slits. Anti-fog lens coating. What we don't like about it? Lenses aren't photochromic. Number 5. Halcyon MK49. If you want retro style and a premium finish, the Halcyon MK49s are an easy choice, but be prepared for the high price. These goggles are handmade in the United Kingdom, and the company has been producing eye protection for motorcyclists. What we like about it? Extremely high quality. Retro style. Parts can be bought separately. Made from brass, chrome, and leather. What we don't like about it? Pricey. Not photochromic. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.